An appeals court judge said Donald Trump cannot delay the start of his hush money trial while he appeals a gag order imposed on him by the presiding judge. Lawyers for the former president had moved to file a lawsuit against the presiding judge one day earlier. They've argued New York Justice Juan Merchan should recuse himself because his daughter works with Democrats who have raised money off the hush money case her father is overseeing. Merchan already denied that request months earlier. Trump is taking aim at the gag order that prevents him from speaking out about the judge's daughter and witnesses in the case, along with court staff and their families. The former president has seized every opportunity to try to stall the case, which is heading to trial on April 15th after delays. He says the timing of the trial and his 3 other criminal cases is obviously political because they are all currently set to proceed in the heat of the election.
Remember the words, should have been started 3 years ago if they were going to start it at all. And then you wouldn't be quibbling over what week it's going to, days. They're quibbling over days and hours. They wouldn't be quibbling at all. They never started it. And you know why they didn't start it? Because they didn't know I'd be running, and they didn't know how well I'd do. If I were doing poorly, this wouldn't be happening. None of these trials would have been happening.
No other trial dates have been set for Trump, but prosecutors and defense lawyers are battling over timelines in 3 other courts. The hush money trial will begin next week with jury selection. Trump's team argued unsuccessfully that the former president cannot get a fair trial in deeply Democratic Manhattan, but a judge declined to move the case. Sarah Bedford for the Washington Examiner.